Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best self-cleaning coffee makers, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best self-cleaning coffee makers options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which self-cleaning coffee makers is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Terra Kaffe TK02, Best Overall Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. The Terra Kaffe TK02 automates the tedious parts of coffee brewing with intelligent sensors and extensive personalization. Its premium price and lack of physical controls may deter purists, but this is the most accessible and connected way to get cafe-quality brews at home each day. You can choose a specialty drink at a tap and use the app to dial in both flavor and strength. Its ability to brew both hot espresso and true drip coffee without swapping filters makes it highly versatile. Every morning starts better with the Terra Kaffe Super Automatic Espresso Machine. This app-enabled coffee maker makes brewing simple and quick. Enjoy rich espresso or creamy cappuccino at home without effort. Auto wake and sleep features help save energy and time. Works well with all milk types for different tastes. Roaster-approved espresso settings bring cafe flavor to your kitchen. Coffee at home tastes better now. Number 2. Philips 2300 Series, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. Enjoy rich, fresh coffee at home with the Philips 2300 Series espresso machine. The Latte Go milk system makes creamy cappuccinos and lattes simple. The touch display offers 4 coffee presets, so you can find your favorite fast. The built-in grinder means every cup tastes freshly ground. With 15-bar pressure, your drinks always have a deep flavor and smooth crema. The silent brew feature keeps mornings peaceful with quieter operation. Hot water is ready for tea or other drinks. The matte black finish looks stylish in any kitchen. Cleaning is easy, so you spend more time enjoying your coffee. Advantages: enjoy cafe-style coffee at home with 4 preset options. Latte Go milk system makes creamy foam in seconds, mess-free. Number 3. SMEG, Fully Automatic Coffee Machine, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. The SMEG Fully Automatic Coffee Machine, bean to cup, pairs the brand's signature retro aesthetic with modern push-button convenience. It is highly praised for its compact footprint, durable build, and ability to produce rich espresso with a thick crema, although its minimalist drink menu and premium price tag may deter serious coffee enthusiasts. Integrated Conical Burr Grinder. Made of stainless steel, the built-in grinder allows you to adjust the grind size, ensuring your coffee is always brewed from freshly ground beans for maximum aroma and flavor. Drink selection. Depending on the model, it offers 8 to 10 beverage options, including classic espresso, ristretto, americano, and milk-based drinks. Milk frothing options. The BCC02 model features a manual steam wand for texturing milk, while the BCC13 model utilizes an auto milk function that automatically steams milk for lattes and cappuccinos. Compact design. At just about 7 inches wide, it is one of the more space-saving bean-to-cup machines on the market, though the water tank design requires you to lift and pull it, which can be tricky under low cabinets. Number 4. Jura S8, Best Self-Cleaning Coffee Maker. The Jura S8 is an exceptional mid-range super automatic espresso machine renowned for its cafe-quality extractions, high-end design, and smartphone-like 4.3S touchscreen. It bridges the gap between Jura's entry-level machines and premium models like the Z10, offering fantastic espresso, proper flat white sequencing, and advanced milk foam capabilities. The Pulse Extraction Process, PEP. This signature Jura technology pulses water through the grounds at short intervals, extracting maximum flavor and a rich, velvety crema for espresso. Upgraded grinder. Newer S8 models feature the advanced PAG2 grinder, which can be adjusted on the fly and backspins after grinding to reduce retention and prolong lifespan. True flat white and sweet foam. The machine brews the espresso first and then adds the milk, the correct sequence for a proper flat white. Number 5. DeLonghi Rivelia, best self-cleaning coffee maker. The DeLonghi Rivelia espresso machine brings the Kaffe experience into your kitchen. Fresh beans go into the burr grinder and fill the room with rich aroma. You can switch beans easily, so each cup matches your mood. The milk frother creates creamy foam for lattes or cappuccinos. Hot or iced drinks are simple to prepare, perfect for any season. The compact design fits well in most kitchens and looks stylish on the counter. Using it feels smooth and easy, even for beginners. Every cup tastes fresh and satisfying, making mornings or breaks feel special. This machine helps you enjoy quality coffee at home anytime you like. Advantages: fresh coffee beans are ground every time for rich flavor. Enjoy hot or iced lattes and cappuccinos at home. Bean switch system lets you try different coffee tastes easily. Compact Italian design fits small kitchens and saves space. Simple milk frother creates creamy foam in seconds. Number 6. KitchenAid KF7, best self-cleaning coffee maker. The KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine KF7 brings a cafe feeling to your kitchen. Its stainless steel design looks modern and elegant. Making espresso feels easy with its simple controls. The milk attachment creates smooth, creamy foam for lattes and cappuccinos. Every cup tastes rich and satisfying. The machine works quietly, making mornings calm and pleasant. Cleaning is simple, so you spend less time on chores. People love the comfort of enjoying quality coffee at home with friends or family. Each use feels special, like a treat in your daily routine. Advantages: enjoy cafe-style coffee at home with this automatic espresso machine. Stainless steel design looks smart and lasts for many years. Number 7. Bosch 800 series VeroCafe, best self-cleaning coffee maker. The Bosch fully automatic coffee and espresso machine makes mornings special. Its large touchscreen feels modern and easy to use. You can choose from 36 drinks, so everyone finds their favorite. The double cup feature lets you share a coffee moment with someone. Fresh beans fill the kitchen with a rich aroma. Cleaning is simple, so you spend more time enjoying coffee and less time working. Its silver finish looks stylish on any countertop. Every cup tastes smooth, just like a cafe. This machine brings a warm, comforting feeling to your daily routine. Advantages: enjoy up to 36 drink choices for every taste and mood. Double cup feature serves 2 coffees at once, saving time. Touchscreen controls make brewing simple and quick for everyone. Bosch fully automatic coffee and espresso machine makes mornings better. Touchscreen controls are easy to use. The large bean capacity means fewer refills. Cleaning is quick and simple. Double cup feature is great for sharing coffee. Drinks taste fresh and rich every time. Silver finish looks nice in the kitchen. Maintenance is not hard at all. This machine fits well on my counter. Enjoying a variety of drinks is fun. Number 8. DeLonghi Magnifica Plus, best self-cleaning coffee maker. The DeLonghi Magnifica Plus makes every morning special. Its touchscreen display feels modern and easy to use. Choose from over 18 coffee recipes with just one touch. The built-in grinder fills your kitchen with the smell of fresh coffee beans. 4 user profiles keep everyone's favorite drinks ready. The automatic milk steam wand creates creamy, smooth froth for lattes and cappuccinos. Each cup tastes rich and satisfying, like a cafe at home. Number 9. Jura Z10, best self-cleaning coffee maker. The Jura Z10 aluminum white feels elegant and modern in any kitchen. Its touch display is easy and smooth to use. Fresh coffee aromas fill your home with every cup. You can make both hot and cold coffee drinks quickly. The machine works quietly, making mornings peaceful. Each coffee tastes rich and full, just like a cafe experience. Cleaning is simple, so you spend more time enjoying your drink. Friends and family love gathering around for a special cup. The machine's design always impresses your guests. It makes every coffee moment feel extra special. Advantages: enjoy fresh coffee with just one touch every morning. Create hot or cold drinks easily for family or guests. Number 10. Miele CM 7750, best self-cleaning coffee maker. The Miele CM 7750 Coffee Select makes every morning feel special. Its touch controls are easy and pleasant to use. Coffee tastes rich and fresh, thanks to the aromatic system. You can save your favorite drinks with 10 individual profiles. The cup sensor adjusts to your cup, so nothing spills. Making 2 drinks at once is simple with one touch for 2. Double shot gives your espresso a stronger flavor when you want it. Cleaning is easy because the machine descalates itself. You can even control it from your phone, which feels modern and convenient. Its obsidian black finish looks elegant in any kitchen. People love how it brings cafe-style coffee into their home. Advantages: 1. Touch for 2 lets you prepare 2 coffees at once. Aromatic system brings rich and balanced flavor every time.